making
Hello.
frozen cookies.
What are you doing, Rebecca? What are you making?
Frozen cookies.
Okay, and what's this going to be?
Gonna be frozen cookies.
They're going to be the icing?
Icing.
Okay, let me just go put the water in and start mixing.
My little hold the water, please.
Hang on, you stay there.
We're making frozen cookies. This is to be hot. How much was it for the That is why we went over there and Daddy was take over them all day. How much was it eat all that? But the best I was that. So we'll be happy. And be frozen cookies over. We said that to us.
Show everyone. Go one and tell them.
Look, frozen.
จับโชว์ด้วยโชว์ yeah
So what's that one?
Frozen cookies.
Yeah, but what's that?
you try สิ
That's a snowflake or not?
you gotta try how they taste
So yummy.
oh enough first tell everyone how they taste
It's so yummy.
yeah
But the double one in my
And what's this one? Now, too wet.
Let me do that.
You want to mix it a little bit? Is it too wet? Wet a bit? Oh, no, make a mess.
I want to eat that too.
Yeah, have a little taste.
I want to eat that little
Okay.
thing.
So let's get...
enough first
Enough. Hey. Get a plate. Ready? Okay, here's what's going to happen. No, don't put on there. No, stop eating them, please. Right. Daddy's going to put some icing on the biscuit, like this.
I want to do that too.
No, you can put, you put the snowflake on
put
top.
that one
Wait, for Daddy finish first. I think the icing too soft now.
Do something now.
Okay, put the snowflake.
And double one over here.
And put the white one.
One over to go. My one had mush.
Yeah, put. Yeah. Too wet, but this will dry. Okay. Oh, now it'll go everywhere. My goodness.
Yay! Yay! A blue one already, Daddy. And Missy goes up. And the Missy goes there. I did.
No, I gotta put the icing on first.
It's all wet.
But that's okay, it'll dry. Wait.
I want to eat the icing.
Well, no, you gotta ice the cookies first.
Oh no.
It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, just ice the cookies. Move that out the way for you.
Where has you?
Here. Just put on the cookies. Daddy put icing on these ones and you can do these ones.
Wait. My husband has already for no wait. I don't want it so that Sarah should go with the bed. It's too tricky.
The snowflakes are too cookie for you or not? Yummy?
I'm gonna have you.
Yummy.
You have mine. You have mine. And I might have yours.
วายด้วยอ้าว
Okay, and try and tell everyone yummy or not.
Yeah.
And that how you make frozen
I'm
cookies.
gonna eat the frozen.
Yum. Thank you for watching us make frozen cookies.
Frozen cookies.
Say thank you for watching.
Because it's
Koppun ka.
Make it again, Dad.
Say koppun ka.
Open car.
Bye bye. Swati ka.
Open car.
Bye. Chup chup. Chup chup.
And make it again.
High five.
And make it again, Daddy.
We have to get a new box. Bye bye.
You bought